Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with a heartwarming moral about the importance of feelings and self-expression. What if you lived in a world where no one was allowed to smile, cry, or laugh? In the city of Numra, that's exactly how things had always been. Emotions were banned in Numra. People wore gray suits, walked in straight lines, and spoke only in facts. Joy, fear, and sadness were outlawed. But in the middle of all that dull order, a little girl named Luma hummed quietly to herself while folding paper stars in secret. Luma lived with her Aunt Vex, the chief of emotional control. Vex never smiled, not even on birthdays or when the rain finally stopped. One morning, while sweeping leaves, Luma found a strange object under a bush. A bright red marble that pulsed like a heartbeat. As soon as she touched it, a warm feeling spread through her chest, like sunlight, and laughter rolled into one. Luma giggled out loud. The giggle echoed down the empty street. A nearby drone paused mid-air, scanned her, and flashed a warning. Emotion detected. Cease immediately. Luma stuffed the marble into her pocket and ran. Her giggle had slipped out like a butterfly, and she didn't want to trap it again. At school, Luma noticed the other kids looked tired and blank. She quietly passed the marble to her classmate Joro during math class. Joro held the marble. His eyes widened. A tear rolled down his cheek. He quickly wiped it, but Luma saw it. It shimmered like hope. The marble began to glow brighter. One by one, the children started to whisper dreams, doodle stars, and smile when no one was watching. Aunt Vex grew suspicious. "There's a rumor of mischief," she declared. "Emotions may be returning. If so, they must be erased at once." That night, Vex searched Luma's room. She found a paper star. "This is art," she growled. "Where did you learn to fold such things?" Luma tried to stay silent, but a tiny laugh escaped her lips. It was soft and sweet, like wind chimes. Vex froze in place. For a moment, her aunt's eyes softened. "Your mother used to laugh like that," she whispered, before she vanished into the tower. "What's the tower?" Luma asked. Vex stared at the wall. "It's where they take those who refuse to forget how to feel," she said coldly. Luma held up the marble. "I don't want to forget." It pulsed warmly in her hand. Vex stared at it, then reached out and touched it. And in that instant, everything changed. A wave of emotion burst from the marble, washing over the house, then the street, then the whole city. Color returned to buildings. Flowers bloomed through cracks. Music drifted from balconies. People blinked, then laughed, then wept openly. But just as quickly, alarms blared. Gray-suited guards surrounded Luma's house. "Unauthorized emotion outbreak detected," one shouted. "Confiscate the source." Luma held the marble tightly. "You can't take this," she said. "It belongs to everyone now." The marble floated up and began to glow red-hot. It exploded into sparks of light, one for every citizen. Each person who caught a spark felt something new. Memories, hopes, dreams, even regrets. The city of Numra panicked. But then, something beautiful happened. People began hugging, dancing, singing. Even the guards dropped their helmets and cried. Luma turned to her aunt. Vex had tears rolling down her cheeks. "I remember your mother's lullabies now," she whispered. "I forgot too much." The government tried to stop it, but it was too late. The feelings had returned like rivers bursting through a broken dam. The tower that held the emotionless laws began to crack. Out flew doves, stars, paintings, and forgotten songs, all escaping into the sky. Joro built a music box from scrap. Luma folded 1,000 stars and scattered them through the city. The marble was gone, but its magic remained. People began writing books again. Children made puppets. Elders told stories. The city pulsed with color, light, and the wild wonder of feelings. And in the center of the plaza stood a statue of a girl with a paper star in her hand, her marble heart glowing with silent joy. Moral: feelings are what make us human. They help us connect, create, and care, and they should never be silenced or hidden away. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.